How to apply for Outlier AI. So to apply for Outlier AI, I will show you some of the steps and you have to follow them very carefully. Now, very first thing is that visit this outlier.ai website here. If you don't know, just go to Google, search for Outlier AI and you will be land up here. Now start by here, you can just go to the official website to explore available opportunities and get an overview of the platform. Click on this sign up button here, right? So let's go to the view opportunities and here we will get this option of sign up. So right now we have to enter the location here, but without location you can see what's the everything, the requirements is shown here, the opportunities, right? So let's say I will just go and click on accounting and tax expertise, south for AI training. So let's go and click on here. Also it shows the exact location here, right? And here all the description is available right now, as well as on the right side here there are the work timings and everything is given up. Now you can register using your email or Google account. So if I just go and click on login here, so here don't have an account, just go and click on sign up, right? So let's go to the sign up. Here we have to do we of course have to scroll down till the bottom and I can use a Google account to sign up here. Now once you did, again you will be get back to the login page here. Do the same thing, you can just create an email, a password, or use a Google account. But if the opportunity is not available for you, then you will be redirected to this Outlier login here, right? So again, we have to just go to this official page of Outlier and you have to look for the different opportunities. Now here you can submit your resume and you can add your experience and verify your account by using your phone number, each and everything. Most positions require you to pass a screening exam that assess your competence in the relevant domain. Some role may be also require a virtual interview. Once accepted, you will undergo onboarding, which typically takes between 1 to 5 hours. This includes training modules designed to prepare you for your project. You will be assigned to a squad led by experienced squad lead who will guide you through the process. And there will be also, once you complete onboarding, you can start working on various projects related to AI training, evaluation, and data generation based on your expertise. Thanks for watching.